Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day, and as you can see, it's another bullet journal video for you guys. I've just noticed while editing this that you can see the tripod leg in shot, and I apologise profusely for this. I know it is very annoying, and it's mostly annoying when you're editing it and you're watching it over and over again. It is somewhat frustrating, so apologies for that. So just a little side note quickly before we get into the video. I'm still working on my setup for my camera and my lighting and everything like that, so if it changes week to week and some weeks look worse than others, it's because I am working on it and it's a work in progress, so please just bear with me. Fingers crossed it will get done soon and I will have a proper setup and everything like that, but right now I'm kind of just juggling things on top of other things, and it's just a massive balancing act, so fingers crossed we'll be done and I'll have something soon. Fingers crossed. How many times can I say fingers crossed? So as you can tell from the title of this video, today I'm going to be planning out my gym tracker. I know it's mid-month, well it's not even mid-month, it's like the first week of Feb is over, but I only joined the gym yesterday. I don't know when I'm going to post this video, but when I'm filming I only joined the gym yesterday, so obviously I haven't got a gym tracker at the beginning of my month, so I've got it kind of slap bang in the middle, which I know doesn't help with kind of organisation and stuff like that. It kind of just looks a bit mishmash, but you know, we're just gonna have to deal with it, and then for March I will do a gym tracker at the beginning of the month instead. Before we get to the planning out of the bullet journal, guys, if you do like this kind of content, then do click that subscribe button down below. That would really help me out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so anything would help. So just click that subscribe button down below and see more of me and see more of my content. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So as you can see, I have drawn it out already, so I'm just going to kind of go along that kind of layout and just add my own little twist to things. So if you can see me rubbing stuff out, it's because I've got stuff written underneath, so I'll kind of rub it out before I draw it. I'm going to go for a blue sort of colour here, and this is my Crayola Super Tips, and we're just going to get going. So I'm going to start with the title just at the top. There we have it, so that is my title all on. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the rest of it. So what I'm going to do is do it week by week. I plan to go at least 3 if not 4 times a week, so I've kind of got a little, once I've drawn it out, I've got a little day-to-day view so I can tick and cross when I'm planning on going. And then this is where I'm going to kind of, in these boxes, is where I'm going to try and track the exercise I'm doing. So if I focus on something cardio this week, I will do something different that week, and so on. So that is my title all on and ready to go. I'm just going to go ahead and fill out the rest of what I've sketched out, sort of thing. The whole plan of it is that I'm going to break it down into weeks, and then obviously I'm starting from the second week of Feb. So I've got 1, 2, 3 boxes to do the last weeks of Feb, and then the point of this is it's got Monday to Saturday day by day, so I can tick and cross what day I'm planning on going, and then in the little box I can track what exercise I'm doing and just keep a log, sort of thing. So for example, if I find that if I do more cardio in a month and then I lose less weight, then I know to focus on something else, whereas if I do more cardio and I'm losing more weight, I know that I can focus on cardio and so on, if that makes sense. So that's the first sort of gym tracker I'm going to do. I think when it comes to March I might incorporate a food tracker in here of some sort. I don't really know, I need to do some more research on it, but for now I think this is going to do for me. And then I've got kind of in this little section here, I've got my weight, my bust, my waist and my thigh measurements. So that's what I'm really going to track at the moment. I think March again is going to be something that I track more, but at the moment I'm just going to do that, and then I'll do it again at the end of the month because that's only a 3-week period sort of thing, so it's not going to be a massive difference, I don't think. So weight, bust, waist and thighs, and then I'll write it there and I'll work out my BMI at the end of the month. So that's kind of the layout I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and draw it out, and I'm going to speed that up so you guys don't have to wait around and kind of listen to me talk through it. But yeah, that's the plan basically. So I'll go ahead and go through it once I've drawn it all out, just to let you know exactly what's what, sort of thing. So yeah, enjoy! So there we have it guys, that is my little gym tracker. So just to go through it again, you obviously got the title and the month of Feb, and then I've broken it down into the rest of the weeks of February. I'm going to start tracking on Monday the 5th. I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this video, like I said earlier, so this might be after the 5th, it might be before, I don't know when I'm going to upload this, but that's when I'm going to start tracking, and then it's kind of just, yeah, so I can see what I'm doing and when I'm doing it, how much distance or how much time I've spent on each exercise or like reps or something like that. Yeah, and then I've got like a little day-to-day view, so I can just tick, say I'm going to go Monday, Thursday, Saturday or something. I'll tick those 3 days. Obviously any more is a plus, but that's the 3 days I need to go. That's like my goal, so that's what I've put there. And then this is my beginning weight and measurements, and then this is my end weight and measurements. And then instead of doing BMI like I was going to do at the beginning, I've done achievements and goals. So this is just kind of like if I do lose any weight or if I get any better in something, I will put it in the achievements, and then anything I want to get better at, I will put in the goals, so I can look back at that when I'm planning for March and see where I need to kind of improve and stuff like that. So that's kind of the gist of what I wanted to do. Obviously the one in March might be a little bit different, might be the same, depends how well this works. And yeah, I'm actually quite excited to start the gym. That's some words I never thought would come out of my mouth, but I am actually excited. So guys, that is it for this week's video. I hope you did enjoy watching me plan out my little gym tracker. If you guys want to see me kind of plan out any more trackers, just let me know down in the comments down below. Even if it's not a tracker that I would use, I wouldn't mind just planning it out so you guys have some inspiration. So just let me know down in the comments, because I've got like, I can order another one of these books, or I can just use the back of it and just do kind of practice ones. It's honestly up to you, so just let me know down in the comments what you want to see. If you do enjoy this content, then do click that like button down below, just so I know. It does make me very happy, it does make a massive difference, and it lets me know that I can carry on making this content for you guys. So yeah, just click that like button down below. Like I said at the beginning of the video, if you like this kind of content, then do click that subscribe button down below. I try to post a bullet journal video once a week, but it might end up being once every 2 weeks or something like that. So if that's the kind of content you do want to see, then do click that subscribe button. All of my social media links will be down in the description box, as always, of course. So you can go check me out on Instagram or Twitter or anything like that. Like I say, it's all linked down there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and fingers crossed I will see you in the next video. Bye!